Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are so much welcome. So guys, in this video I want us to do a simple makeup with what I have. It's been long since I did makeup, and I thought I almost forgot how to draw the eyebrows. So I was like, why not try out this thing? Because I have passion for makeup, I have passion for beauty, and yeah, I love beauty, and I guess every woman does. But if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you are a family already. Thank you so much for keeping it up here, Team Emmy. You are amazing as usual. Yes. So in this video, I want to start by drawing my eyebrows, but I had to, make my. It's called baby hair. I try to make my baby hair, but I'm not good at that. Anyway, let's see how it goes. So I'll start by drawing my eyebrows. At the moment, I'm using a black pencil because when I use a brown pencil, it doesn't. I feel like it's not visible as per my color, or depending on how dark I am. So I'm using a black pencil or a dark pencil just to ensure that my eyebrows are visible from the very start. So it's always very easy for you to draw your eyebrows, most especially when they are shaped. So always ensure that you shape your eyebrows. By doing that, you're making it easy for anyone who's going to do your makeup, to do your eyebrows, to do you very nice eyebrows. Yes. So I'm trying to fill the gaps, and then the next thing I'll do is put a concealer. I'll conceal my eyebrows. If you are a beautician, or if you love makeup, tell me, what do you start with when you're doing makeup? Most people start with moisturizer. Can I call it moisturizer? Some, okay, not moisturizer actually. Most people start with primer. Yes. And then there are those that start with the foundation, then they draw the eyebrows later. But there are those who start with the eyebrows, and then eyeshadow, and then they do the foundation later. So what or how do you do your makeup? Comment down below. So I'm trying to conceal, and I'm loving every part of it, as you can see in the video. And on the upper side as well, I'm also going to conceal the upper side, just to ensure that my eyebrows are looking nice and good. How is it so far? How do you see that? The first one. Same applies to the next one. I'll also conceal it, and then after concealing, I'll have to clear the concealer, because I want my eyebrows to look natural. I don't want my eyebrows to look like, I don't want, like, if you met me, or if you meet me on the street, to easily notice that those eyebrows, they aren't natural. So I'll go on with the trying to clear the concealer, both down and up. So after reducing the concealer, it has no, we haven't reduced it fully, but I'm still going to work on that. I'll now go with the foundation. Now I'm using a liquid foundation at this moment, and you can see I have a lot of breakout. I have how can I call it? I have scars, dark spots. Yeah, so I'm trying to use a concealer to cover them a bit. That's a concealer that I've used to cover them a bit. Then I'll start applying my foundation, but with this foundation you don't need a lot on your skin, because when you apply a lot of it, you look so different. Like, anyway, let's go on. But don't apply a lot of foundation, most especially if you know that maybe the one that you're using is not for your color type. Like for me, I feel like this foundation is not for my color type, but let's see how how the outcome will be by the end of the video. And you guys can comment and tell me, or you can as well comment and advise. It's normally in colors. What's my color? Because I honestly, truth is, I don't know my foundation color. I don't know which color I'm supposed to use for as part for the dark people. I will keep blending until I feel that the foundation is all balanced on my face, and that it's not maybe on one side. You get my point? Yeah. Then since I don't have the eyeliner, I'm still going to use eye pencil. I need to buy a lot of makeup things. Yeah, so I don't have the eyeliner, so I'm going to use the eye pencil to act as a eyeliner. Look, it's giving. Then next is the eyeshadow, and in this color I've chosen gold. Yeah, let's see if gold is good for my makeup. I'm still trying to, apply the eyeshadow And if you have watched up to this, I still want to thank you so much for keeping it up here, and thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing right now. I know we are already 1K. Let's watch as many videos to monetize the channel. So we are almost coming to the end of this video, and what is remaining is the lipstick. So I have a brown pencil and a baby pink, can I call it baby pink, lipstick. So the pencil is purple, so I'm going to blend the two, and let's see the results. Start by applying my pencil. First of all, yeah, I'm using a pencil like I told you, and then after I'm going to blend it with a baby pink lipstick. That's the lipstick. It looks good. It looks good. Good. Not so. So far, how is my makeup? I feel I look amazing, and it's not like a beauty. No, it's not like a bridal makeup. It's just a very, very, very simple makeup. And you realize I didn't have a lot of things. So I think sometimes when you have passion to do something, always start with what you have and shine. The rest will find you. Yeah, so personally I feel like I have come to the end of this video. I'm just trying to admire myself. The next thing I'm going to do is to leave or remove my hair. Yeah, but I can either way, just to add and ensure that I'm looking so beautiful as I am a baby girl. Yeah, so if you have watched up to this moment, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, most especially if you have passion in makeup as I am. Yeah, leave a comment and let someone tell us, how do you do your makeup? What do you start with? Give us your steps below, and let us learn. On this channel, it's all about love. Uh it's all about like being us, learning new things. And it's either way. I can learn from you guys and you can learn from me. That is how it is. So see you in the other videos to come.